This video will demonstrate how to remove and install the midship cabinets and aft low-profile cabinets in the passenger compartment on the Super King Air 350i. These instructions are applicable to serial numbers FL601, FL672, FL688, and later FL serial numbers with the VIP interior and cabin management system installed. These procedures can be found in Chapter 25 of the Super King Air Model B300 and B300C Airplane Maintenance Manual. The midship cabinets are located in the passenger compartment between the two sets of passenger club seating. The aft low-profile cabinets are an optional item and are installed between the aft-most passenger seats and the aft passenger cabin partitions. As a precaution, ensure that the tail stand is in place and that the power is shut off to the cabin before beginning to remove the cabinets. Midship cabinet removal. Gain access to the passenger cabin. You may find it helpful to remove one or both of the passenger seats adjacent to the midship cabinet that is being removed. Remove the bottom drawer from the midship cabinet. Remove the 4 screws and washers securing the base of the midship cabinet to the cabin isolator plates. Lift the cabinet up slightly and move the cabinet inboard enough to gain access to the rear of the cabinet. On the left midship cabinet, disconnect the electrical connectors for the iPod docking station and the iPod electronic control module. On the right midship cabinet, disconnect the electrical connections for the air cell access to cordless handset and cradle if the airplane is equipped with one. The midship cabinet can now be removed from the airplane. Aft low-profile cabinet removal. Gain access to the passenger cabin. You may find it helpful to remove the passenger seat adjacent to the aft low-profile cabinet that is being removed. The removal procedures for the left and right low-profile cabinets are typical and similar. Remove the top and bottom drawers from the low-profile cabinet. Remove the 2 screws securing the low-profile cabinet to the aft passenger cabin partition. Remove the 4 screws and washers securing the base of the low-profile cabinet to the cabin isolator plates. Remove the low-profile cabinet from the airplane. Midship cabinet installation. As a precaution, ensure that the tail stand is in place and the power is shut off to the passenger cabin before beginning to install the midship cabinets and aft low-profile cabinets. Gain access to the interior of the airplane. Position the midship cabinet in the airplane slightly inboard of its final position in the passenger cabin. On the left midship cabinet, connect the electrical connections for the iPod docking station and iPod electronic control module. On the right midship cabinet, connect the electrical connections for the air cell access to cordless handset and cradle if the airplane is equipped with one. Install the 4 screws and washers to secure the cabinet to the isolator plates. Install the bottom drawer of the cabinet. Verify the functionality of the drawer and electrical connections. Aft low-profile cabinet installation. The installation procedures for the left and right low-profile cabinet are typical and similar. Install the low-profile cabinet into position on the isolator plates. Install the 4 screws and washers securing the base of the low-profile cabinet to the isolator plates. Install the 2 screws securing the low-profile cabinet to the aft cabin partition. Install the top drawer and bottom drawer in the low-profile cabinet. Finally, the passenger seats and any other items removed for accessibility may be reinstalled in the airplane. The power to the interior of the airplane can now be restored unless other maintenance is underway. At this time, perform all associated maintenance operation checks per the B300, B300C Airplane Maintenance Manual for return to service. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For further information, please call Textron Aviation Team Turboprop Technical Support at 316-676-3140 or 1-800-429-5372. Team Turboprop can also be reached via email at kingair_support@txtav.com.